Hello students, you will see the series of 400 multiple choice questions of science and technology for standard 10th class. Now let us see the 20 multiple choice questions on the chapter first, gravitation. Question number 1. Which statement is incorrect according to universal law of gravitation? Option A, acts between Earth and Moon. B option, acts between any two objects having mass. C option, acts between Earth and artificial satellite. And D, acts between two electric charge objects. Correct answer is acts between two electric charge objects. This statement is not related with universal law of gravitation. Question number 2. The value of dash dash is the gravitational force acting between two unit masses kept at a unit distance away from each other. Option A, gravitational potential energy. B, universal gravitational constant. And D, gravitational acceleration. Correct answer is option B, universal gravitational constant. Third question. G is equal to 9.832 meter per second square is the value of gravity is at dash dash of the earth. A option equator, B at the two poles of earth, C Mount Everest and D center of the earth. Correct answer is at the two poles of earth. Question number 4. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance of a planet from the sun. This law relates to which of the following law? A option, Newton's third law of motion. B, Kepler's second law. C, Kepler's third law. And D, Newton's second law of motion. Answer is Kepler's third law. Question number 5. High and low tides of sea is effect due to dash dash. A, gravitational force of Mars. B, gravitational force of Sun. C, gravitational force of Moon. And D, none of above. Answer is option C, gravitational force of Moon. Question number 6. Force acts on object moving along a circle is directed towards center of the circle is called dash dash. A, gravitational force. B, centrifugal force. C, magnetic force. And D, centripetal force. Correct answer is option D, centripetal force. Question number 7. The value of acceleration due to gravity is dash dash. A, maximum at center of earth. B, equal at equator and poles. C, minimum at equator. And D, minimum at poles. Correct answer is option C, minimum at equator. Question number 8. The acceleration due to gravity on moon is 1/6 of that on earth. If weight of astronaut is 12 kg on the moon, what is the weight of him on earth? Option A, 2 kg. B, 84 kg. C, 120 kg. And D, 72 kg. Correct answer is option D, 72 kg. Question number 9. The weight of man is 60 kg on earth. Then what will be the weight on moon? A answer. Option A, 120 kg. B, 10 kg. C, 6 kg. And D, 360 kg. Correct answer is option B, 10 kg. Question number 10. The value of gravitational constant on moon is dash dash. A, 1/6 of that on earth. B, 6 times on earth. C, equal to value on earth. And D, twice of value on earth. Correct answer is equal to value on earth. The orbit of revolution of planet in solar system is dash dash. A, circular. B, in straight line. C, ellipse. And D, random motion. Correct answer is option C, ellipse. Question number 12. The true free fall is possible only in dash dash. Option A, on moon. B, in vacuum. C, surface of the earth. D, between sun and moon. Correct answer is option B, in vacuum. Question number 13. The value of acceleration due to gravity at equator is A, 9.832 meter per second square. B, 9.78 meter per second square. C, 9.8 meter per second square. And D, 6.67 meter per second square. Correct answer is option B, 9.78 meter per second square. Question number 14. Dash force controls the universe. A option, gravitational force. B, electromagnetic force. C, nuclear force. D, intermolecular force. Correct answer is option A, gravitational force. Question number 15. Gravitational force between two objects is directly proportional to product of their masses and dash dash of distance. Option A, inversely proportional to square. B, directly proportional to square. C, directly proportional to cube. And D, inversely proportional to cube. Correct answer is option A, inversely proportional to square. Question number 16. The square of time period of revolution around sun is directly proportional to dash dash of mean distance of planet. A option, square. B, square root. C, cube. And D, cube root. Correct answer is option C, cube. Question number 17. The value of universal constant in SI unit is dash dash. A, 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. B, 6.673 into 10 raised to 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. C, 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 9 centimeter square per gram square. And D option, 9.8 meter per second square. Correct answer is option A, 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Question number 18. Total mass of object can be assumed to be concentrated in a point is called dash dash. Option A, density. B option, center of mass. C, buoyant force. D, gravitational field. Correct answer is option B, center of mass. Question number 19. The value of acceleration due to gravity depends on dash dash. A option, density of the object. B, mass of the object. C, velocity of the object. And D, shape of the object. Correct answer is option B, mass of the object. Question number 20. Escape velocity of spacecraft which are sent to moon from Earth is dash dash. A, 11.2 km per second. B, 22.11 km per second. C, 9.8 meter per second. And D, 11.2 meter per second. I hope that these 20 questions are helpful for your exam. Thank you.